Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class. Now listen children, we are going to the second chapter, addition and subtraction. Already you know the addition and subtraction. Now the properties of addition you want to see now. What is the properties of addition children? Let me know. Listen carefully. Numbers can be added in any order. What is that? Numbers can be added in any order. The sum will remain the same. What is the meaning of the children? Listen. For example, 2 plus 3. You get what is your answer children? 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Again, here look at here, 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So, I change the orders. This is the order. 2 plus 3 is one order. I change the 3 and 2 is change the places. 3 plus 2. But answer is the same. So, you won't change any order to add. You get the answer is the same. This is the one of the property children. Next, move on to the next property. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. What is mean by successor here? Successor means, already I explained that successor is the after number or the next number. After number or next number is called the successor. Okay children. Now any number, for example here 8 plus I add with 1, you get 9. 9 is the after number of 8. Am I right? Okay, that is the successor of the 8. 9 is the successor of the 8. Listen, when 1 is added to a number, any number you want to add with 1, you get the next number or after number. That is the successor. Are you okay children? So 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So listen, tell me the answer. 7 plus 1? 8. Okay, good. 22 plus 1? 23. So any number plus 1, you get the successor of the number. The answer is the successor of the number. This is another property. Then the third property, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Listen carefully. 0 is added to a number. Any number you want to add with 0, you get the number itself means the same number you have to get the answer. Are you okay? Any number, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. These three properties you remember in your mind. This is useful to you. Further, you have to add the sums. Okay. Now, move on to the exercise. Now, exercise 2.1 children, find the sum. Listen, the question is here. Listen the question. You have to first you have to arrange the numbers in column wise. Arrange the numbers in the column wise. Then you have to add. Now you have to first you write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So you want to write the place values first. Next you write the numbers according the place value you want to write. Here the 2 is the ones place. So you want to write the 2 in the ones place. Then again 2 is the tens place. This 1 is in the 100 place. 0 is in the thousands place. 2 10,000s place. 6 lakhs place. So you have to write the numbers according the place value of the numbers. Okay children. Next set of numbers you want to write the same. According the place value only you want to write. Because the value does not change that time only. So you want to write the numbers according the place values. So whenever you want to write the numbers, start from the ones place, not in the lakh place or thousands place, 10,000s place. Every time you want to write the numbers, start from the ones place onwards. So first you have to write the ones place, then tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, like that only. Okay, now I arrange the numbers in the column base. Columns means what? This is the column. This is the ones place is ones column, tens one column, hundreds one column, thousands one column, 10,000 one column, lakh one column. So you want to write the numbers in this line only. That is the rows. These are called the rows. This is called as a columns. Okay. First you can arrange the numbers in the columns. Then as usual, how do you add? The same as you want to add now. 7 plus 2 what children? Tell the answer. 7 plus 2. Yes, good. 9. 7 plus 2, 9 is your answer. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Then 2 plus 1. Here look at this property. Any number add with 1, you get the successor of the number. So what is the successor of 2? What is the next number? 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So let me write here. 2 plus 1, 3. 7. Here look at here. 7. Any number add with 0. So you get the number itself. So 7 plus 0, 7. The number itself. Now 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 6, 7. Are you okay? Okay children, this is the answer of this sum. Okay, first you arrange the numbers according the place values. So you want to write the start the numbers from the ones place onwards. So first you have to write the ones place, then you have to write the tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Like that only you want to write the numbers. First you arrange the numbers in the column wise, then we have to add the next step. Okay, now move on to the second sum. The same method, first you have to write the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here three set of numbers is given. So first you write the ones place number, then tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Same, look at here, here three digits only here. So ones, tens, hundreds only here. There is no thousands, there is no 10,000s. So you want to drop the hundreds place. Here listen, the next set of numbers up to thousands only. There is no 10,000 place numbers. So you drop here only. So now we have to arrange the numbers in the column wise according the place values. Now you want to add the number children. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. Again here 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Here 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 plus 8, 9. Okay children. Now here 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Then here 1. Are you okay? That's all your answer children. You have to, first you have to write the place values. Then the numbers, write the place value. According to your place value, write the digits. So whenever you start the numbers, you have to start ones place onwards. So first you have to write the ones place. Then follow up the tens place, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 like that only. So your answer, the second sum answer here. Okay, then move on to the third sum. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 set of numbers is here. So this is up to lakh place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh I have to write. So you want to write the numbers according the place values. Then first you have to arrange the columns. Then you have to add. Again here 0 plus 4, 4. Listen carefully. 0 plus 4, 4. Any number add with 0 you get the same number. So 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus this 8. Tell me the children answer. 4 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 4, you have to add the number children. 4 plus 8, 12. Very good. Then 12 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 12, you add 12 plus 9, 21. So you want to write 1 only here. You want to carry to the next column. Okay, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 0, 16. Remember the carry over children. 16 plus 2, 18. So you want to 8 only here. 1 carry to the next column. Okay, now move on to the third 100 place. 8 plus 9. Tell me the answer children. 8 plus 9, 17. Very good. 17 plus this one, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. Again remember the carry over 1. 18 plus 1, 19. So you want to 9 only here. 1 carry to the next column. Then 2 plus 4, 6. Very good. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus this 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus this 1, 15. So you have to write 15. So 5 only right here. 1 carry to the next column. Let's move on to the next column. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 0, 17. Again remember 1. 17 plus 1, 18. 18, 8 only here. 1 carry to the next place. Here 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So you want to write the digits in the place value. Straightly you have to write the place values only. So then only your answer is right. That's all. Whenever you want to add, you don't forget the carryovers. Always you want to add with this carryover also you want to add. Okay children. Now move on to the next sum. Listen this. This is also I write in the same pattern. First you write the place values, then you arrange the numbers in the according place values. The column should be in the straight. Don't zigzag you want to write. Now you want to add now. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 3, tell me, 10, 12. So you want to write 2 only here. 1 carry to the next column. Listen, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. This one, 13 plus 1, 14. So you want to 4 only here. Again 1 carry. Then 8 plus 4, 12. Very good. 12 plus this 8, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So you want to write 1. 2 carry to the next column. Now 8 plus 3. Tell me the answer children. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus this 2, 14. So you want to write 4 only here. 1 carry to the next column. Okay, then 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So you want to 3 only here. 1 carry to the next column. So 5 plus this one, 6. That's all your answer children. Are you understood? How do you add this? First you write the place values. Then your number arrange in the according the place values. Column should be in the straight manner. So then after you want to add the finally. Are you okay children? Thank you children.